So we've got a really nice box from GP Car Audio back here, and he's already done quite a bit back here, but there's a little bit of love that needs to happen. We're mainly looking at mids and highs in here, so we're going to see what we're going to be doing tonight. Oh, I got you. So we got door panels, we got tools, we got speakers, all the stuff. This is a lot of stuff, and he's steady bringing the stuff out of there. Got baby seats. We're gonna put speakers in them too. Maybe a little subwoofer in the seat there for, you know, to shake the babies and stuff. All right, well, let's start figuring this shit out. This is gonna be a hell of a day. He brought tools. Got the he got the DSP. He got the amplifier. He got the he got everything I told him to get. Now we just gotta make it all go in the car. All right, and the first step. Got the table cleared off. We got the doors over here, and we got customspeakerpods.com. So we're gonna be putting those guys on. Good stuff. All right. This is our layout. So basically how this works is you got to remove everything that's behind one of these circles, except for maybe this one. I don't know. And we want to get them up here, and then we want to, let's see, we're going to mark them. There's a couple of different ways of doing this, and we'll go over how a couple possibilities. We got the panels, we got the door cut to fit the panels on here, but we're going to have to make a little trim hole to fit the tweeter in here, because the tweeter has tabs on it where the speakers or the wires connect. So we're going to have to do that. If you guys don't mind, go ahead and screw this back down in a position with the little panhead screws so it don't move, and we're going to let the door let the door hold it on there. Alright, we got us a few screws holding it in exactly place. They're going to stay there now until we do the rest of it, but I want to use that to keep the pod from shifting around while I'm doing this. A lot of the def bonds, a lot of def bond 6.5s, you'll have to trim this out to get them in, just a little bit. It don't take much, but so we're good to go. The next thing we need to do is reproduce this
on the next side,
on the other door, and then when we get both doors to this state, then we'll come back in and we'll start the screwing process, which is a kind of a long one.
Sorry ass DJ.
Tool is amazing, but one of its attributes is the fact that it vibrates, and anything laying in the surface that's vibrating is going to work its way off the table. Get that little
so on that one, do we need the speaker to be able to do it, or do you want to just mark
just
right
kind of eyeball it, you know about where it goes. Just make that, just kind of follow that gradient there. Something about like that, yeah. You see where it's going to impact, kind of.
Maybe a little further.
Yeah, like using your eyeball. Just kind of make that upside down smiley face there.
All right.
And then
take these off.
Take those two off. And remember which ones you used.
Yeah, this one and this one.
Mm-hmm.
That one and that one. Oh, you already know how to mod it without.
Yeah, they're all very much the same. I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Bust out a tweeter. See if we got enough chips away there to make it work.
A little heavier than you thought, huh?
No, there is
Yeah, anything metal's good sticking to it.
I can't wait to hear these things, man.
There'll be a few. I mean, we're just gonna do
It's gonna be a bit. Yeah, they go right on in there. There we go. That's locked in place. Perfect.
Yep, nothing rubber.
Nope. It's clear all the way around, and it goes in and comes out of the hole nicely. That's what we wanted. All right.
Story of our lives.
Get it in, get it out. Yes, sir. That's how that works. All right. Now we need to. What I want to do is use screws and screw the whole damn thing down on one panel. We'll start with the one we started with. So we're going to use pinhead screws and go around and screw the whole thing down. And then we're going to take one screw out at a time, and we're going to apply the bolts. And when we apply a bolt, get it all the way tightened up, or get, then we'll move to the next screw, and we'll keep going that, and we'll replace all the screws with bolts.
Sorry ass DJ.
50 bucks on buying this stuff. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah. Discount code?
Yeah.
Yep.
I think it was like 18, almost 20 bucks on the pods, and
What's up, guys? Got Christian in here. I'm gonna give him some Incredible Hulk.
Some call me a monster. My name is David Banner, and I'll spend the rest of my life running from myself. Walk alone, shadow in the night, trying to hide from the monster inside. Every face, every town I pass, fear the rage that I cannot surpass. Friends don't stay, love turns away. Every heartbeat fights another day. Chains unseen, I wear them still. Life's a war I can't ever kill. Piano.
Drops it, don't it?
yeah. Troy, I need that. I told you.
This is what we do, bro. I'm gonna play one more track that I can't record though, where I'll have to edit it. But I think you'll like this one. Hang it over the door. No, leave the door shut. Just lay it up in there in the window. Yeah, put more of it in there, about half and half. There you go. I'm gonna play the Incredible Hulk again. This is my song, by the way. One of many. I got a bunch of them.
Some call me a monster. My name is David Banner. And I'll spend the rest of my life...
Take your arm off of it. There you go.
running from myself.